Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making a full backup. This protects your data if something goes wrong. Once the backup finishes, connect the iPad to a Mac or PC with Finder or iTunes. Make sure the desktop app is updated and the cable is reliable. Next, disable Find My iPad in settings so activation lock won't block the restore. If you plan to use an IPSWA file, download the matching public release for your model and keep it in an easier-to-find folder. You now put the device into recovery mode using the correct button sequence for your iPad model. This forces a full restore. Once Finder or iTunes detects the iPad in recovery, choose Restore iPad. If you downloaded an IPSWA, hold Option on Mac or Shift on Windows and pick that file to ensure the public release is used. Confirm that you understand this erases the device, then watch the progress. Do not unplug or interrupt the process until it finishes. Once the restore completes, you'll go through the Setup Assistant. Make sure to restore your backup from iCloud or Finder if it's compatible with the older iPad OS. You will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID to reactivate the device. If the restore fails or errors occur, try DFU mode to force a lower-level restore or switch to a different computer, USB port, or cable. If you see activation lock, verify Find My iPad was turned off and use the correct Apple ID credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.